Ka Executive Director ka State Disaster Management Authority ikong Matsyudor Wanrah ilaong baya ka Jingtip Bniah Halor ka Pynjulor ba ka Jing Duhnong ka pisa na ka daw ka Jinglinshop ki bor ka Mariang on sa Wanrah hapo ka district level hadin ba ka district administration kan ken gandia ya ka Jing Shah Pynjulor ba kan sapha Shah State Disaster Management Authority haba ay Jing kren haga Jing elang bat kinong thok bor henin kasngi ila pentip ba ka liur kalawan hamig halia bat kishnong ki bashakta kilong hinyo phukndai tli bat ki brio ki bashakta kilong hadu 8,000 news pa new punyungut kajing yap brio kalong iwe kajing yap kibarat kalong laitali ba kajing shakta ki yeng kalong shis pa prapun rutali kaladan kawai kajing jiap lu yeng ha West KHASI Hills ba kawai kajing shatit ha uprathat ki jaka ki bashakta jur na kajing tua khando kadai ka sona perdi tunnel ka badan ha ka surok ba National Highway 6 ka bahap hapo kalumshnong CNRD block.
Yes, we are in fact just prior to this conference we just had a very long in terms of cyclone, heavy rainfall, the number of villages are so. In fire incident we have had only one in West KHASI Hills. This is only for the past 9 days. Yeah? Lightning strike 1 and the rest are cyclonic storm and landslides. Of these, the more affected areas of landslides include the Sunapurdi tunnel along the National Highway 6 under Lumshnong CNRD block and the Rangan area of the National Highway 40 Shillong Tauki Road.
Ki argot shipara